Hello my dear students, welcome to this course. My name is John Kesta and I'm going to be the tutor of this particular course you're taking. Before I proceed, I'm going to give you some piece of advice that you need to follow in order to be successful. And number one of this advice is you're going to make goals. You have to make goals, you understand? You have to, even, for example, if you want to watch this video once per day for 30 days, that's watching 20 videos in a month. You have to stick to it and make sure you write it down somewhere, because if you don't write it down, you can forget it and you won't have to follow it anymore. So what you have to do is make goals, say what you want to achieve and write it down somewhere, and make sure you do that on a daily basis. The second thing I'm going to tell you is do something daily. You have to do something daily, because if you don't do something daily, you're going to waste a lot of time, and you're not going to achieve what you wanted to achieve. And the third advice is think about the result. If you want to study this course in order to maybe add more money to your jars, or buy nice gifts to your girlfriend or maybe your boyfriend, your family or friends, or buy new cars, build houses, or secure a very nice job for yourself, just think about the positive result that you're going to make from this tutorial, and it's going to keep you motivated. Another thing I'm going to tell you is believe in yourself. The truth is that nobody is going to believe in you apart from yourself, and you have to believe in yourself that you can do it. And trust me, truly you can do it. There is nothing hard in it. Just trust yourself that you can do it, and believe me, you can do it. So make the last thing I'm going to tell you is make every minute count. Just make sure that you do everything. We have a limited time in this life, and we don't make very good use of them. We just while away our time in doing things that are not necessary and we're not supposed to do. So you have to make very good use of your time, and then don't while away your time. Make every minute count, and just make sure you do everything, at least one thing a day. Even if you're going to watch this video for 1 minute for one day, but just make sure you do something a day. And trust me, once you do it, you're going to be very successful in this course. So these are the simple piece of advice that I'm going to give you, and trust me, if you follow them, you're going to be very successful. So see you in the course.